here is how you can transfer contacts from Samsung phone to the iPhone. Let me give you some ways you can do this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So as I say, there are more ways to do it. Personally, I think it's best to use the account-based method. So as long as you are signed in with, for example, Google account with your contacts, you can go to the settings of the Android and find the accounts like this, and you are going to have the ability to manage accounts and see if you are signed in with your Google account in terms of the contacts, right? And if you are, you can open up the the Samsung Contacts application. Then tap on the side, click on Manage Contacts, and you want to make sure that you tap on Move and move those from the phone storage to that Google storage, right? So you will have the ability to move those to the Google account. And then you grab the iPhone, open up the settings, tap on apps at the bottom, and you can proceed to the contacts where upon going to the accounts, you can sign in with the very same account which we moved the contacts to on our Samsung, and those should appear on the iPhone as well because we are syncing them over a Gmail account. So I believe that this is the best way to approach this, but also there are some other things you can do. For example, you can inside of the Samsung contacts, tap on export and choose all of the contacts to be exported as the VCF file, which you can then share over to the iPhone either through cloud storage or email or however you like it. And then on the iPhone, you can as well use an app which is called Import Contacts, and you can select that file and import them into your local storage. But as I say, I believe it's better to use the cloud approach using the Gmail, but that is up to you, of course. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to show you quickly how I would personally do this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the next videos as well.